Welcome to the Pharma Voice Editor's Take video series, filmed live at the 2013 DIA annual meeting in Boston, hosted by Taryn Grome, editor of Pharma Voice. In this episode, Taryn meets with Bhaskar Sambasivan, VP and Head of Life Sciences, Cognizant.
Welcome to the 2013 Pharma Voice Editor's Take video program being held here at the DIA conference. We want to talk to you a little bit about the healthcare industry, which everybody knows is in a little bit of a state of flux. And there's a need to deliver higher quality and better service coupled with cost containment. How can reinvention and transformation, which are core to Cognizant's platforms, meet these goals?
Sure. The biggest change driver in healthcare, I would say, is the move towards outcome-based models for patients and moving away from what we call the fee-based service model. As a result of which, life sciences companies are focusing a lot on many strategic models. They're fundamentally relooking at their business models. And I would say about three trends that I can point out. The first is what I call the go beyond the pill or pill plus service model. So companies are really looking at their services and their products and saying, what can they do better? Can they provide bundled service offerings to their patients and really enhancing the value of their drugs and really looking at what we call the patient or pill plus service model. The second trend I would probably say is fundamental cost optimization. And this is happening across the continuum, be it R&D productivity, commercial optimization of costs, or even what I call trials of the future, looking at leveraging newer technologies and newer inventions to drive clinical trials better, and also variabilizing their fundamental costs, looking at what can be done in-house and what can be externalized, and really also looking at whether innovation happens in-house or can it be externalized, and can we bring a collaboration-driven partnership to fundamentally increase R&D productivity and bring drugs faster to the market. The third area I would say is the move towards personalized medicine. Gone are the days of blockbusters, and many companies are really focusing on how do you bring targeted therapies in targeted disease areas and looking at specific agile ways of running clinical trials, faster ways, and bringing the overall cost down. These trends, I would say, could bring the overall healthcare cost down over a period of time.
It's fantastic. How can organizations pioneer new business models by using emerging technologies, and what are some of those technologies they should be thinking about?
Great question. There are about 4 categories in which these new technologies can be segmented. What we define them within Cognizant as SMAC: social, mobility, analytics, and cloud. Each of these technologies bring different benefits and different perspectives to the way life sciences companies run their businesses. Social is all about how do you get the big data that's out there, the unknown gems, into the organization to drive your clinical trials faster or even run your business better or to drive productivity. Analytics is all about driving insight and knowledge from the data that's plethora of data that's sitting within the organization to even help pharmaceutical decision makers make better decisions, as simple as lose the losers fast. Mobility, everybody has a mobile device or a smart device right now. So how do you harness the power of that to integrate payers, providers, patients, and pharmaceutical sponsors in a much better manner? And lastly, cloud is all about variabilization. Do you want in-house monolithic large solutions in-house, or can you harness the power of cloud technology to variabilize your operations, reduce your capex, and increase your opex? So those are some of the new technologies that's fundamentally changing the marketplace and the pharma business model.
I love that whole SMAC concept. Really easy to understand and really elegant. So,
thank you.
I want to thank you very much for spending a few minutes with us today, and those are terrific insights.
Thank you very much.
Additional Editor's Take videos, as well as podcasts, white papers, webinars, and more, are available in the resources area at www.pharmavoice.com.